Welcome back. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar visited Mapsa District Hospital after he received a long list of complaints from the people. He met the visiting committee and GSIDC officers for a solution on infrastructural and medical problems. Minister said that a patient will be referred to GMC only if needed. PRO should be available from 8 to 8, said the minister. Mammography machines will be situated in district hospitals and it will not be movable. Regarding rise of humidity in wards, Minister has assured a suitable environment.
Visiting committee members आणि केल्ली काही सजेशन्स असली म्हजे कानार आयिल्ल्यो काही गोष्टी असल्यो कॅज्युअलिटीसून मेडिकल ऑफिसरानूच ताका फुडें GMCत रिफर करप हांगासरल्यान कन्सल्टंटान तो पळोवंक जाय आनी कन्सल्टंटानूच वयर GMCक रिफर करूंक जाय आनी खंयचे तरी ऑफिसांतले रजिस्ट्रेशन करपाक दिलां आनी कितें काम दिलां ते म्हटल्यार जेणे रजिस्ट्रेशनाचें काम करूंक जाय ताणें करूंक जाय आणि PROs हे पब्लिक रिलेशन ऑफिसर्स म्हणून अवेलेबल आसूंक जाय सकाळी 8 ते सांजे 8 पर्यंत तरी किमान त्यामुळे आम्ही निर्णय घेतला की ती चारूय मशीन्स ही हॉस्पिटलांनीच डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आवश्यक असल्यार GMC पण आम्ही डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलांनी सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलांनी ही चारूय बसयतले आणि मागीर बसीसचो वापर कितें करप हें ठरयतले तशी ऑक्युपन्सी बरी आसा पण एकूण भायर उष्णता आसा तेचो इफेक्ट भितरय दिसता भितर खरें व्हेंटिलेशन आनीक आसणें आवश्यक आसता व्हेंटिलेशनाचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा त्यामुळे काही किमान फॅन्स वाडोवप ह्यो गोष्टी जावंक शकतात ज्यो गोष्टी आमच्या हातान आसात त्यो आमी करुया आनी ज्यो चुको जाल्ल्यो आसात त्यो फुडल्या काळात जावच्यो ना हाची काळजी घेवया.
The Goa Mining Welfare Union has filed its reply before the Delhi High Court to the petition filed by the CESA Goa Limited. CESA had challenged order of the Union Ministry of Labour and Employment restraining them to lay off as many as 1,050 working staff. In its reply, Union has mentioned about the Supreme Court's order on Goa mining matter. Hearing will begin from Wednesday.
On February 11, the Union Ministry of Labour and Employment dismissed the plea of CESA Goa Company to lay off 1,050 employees. Order was challenged by CESA Goa Limited before the Delhi High Court. On behalf of the workers, Goa Mining Welfare Union filed its reply on Tuesday before the court. In its reply, union representatives have stated that Supreme Court has lifted ban on mining in the state and Goa government in its process to beginning of mining. In such circumstances, CESA Goa Company's reason to lay off the workers does not stand.
Given the two reasons for layoff, that is one, the government of Goa suspended mining operations on 10 September 2012 and second, Supreme Court halted mining operations in Goa on 10th October 2012 and we have placed the order of the Supreme Court of 21st April 2014 in the record of the Honorable Delhi High Court, which is the development after filing of this writ petition. So let's see what is coming up tomorrow in the High Court and how the case will be argued, because they have engaged some senior counsels from Delhi.
In January, CESA Goa had issued notice to lay off to its 1,050 workers working at Kodli, Surla, Sonchi and Bicholim mines and at Surla beneficiation plant and Amona plant. Later, union has restrained CESA Goa Company to lay off workers. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Goa Tourism Development Corporation has actually applied for license for a temporary construction of wooden shacks and repairs of existing structures at Vagator. If any illegalities or rule violations are observed, then Anjana Kaisua Panchayat will not hesitate to revoke the NOCs. Deputy Sarpanch of Anjana told this to Prudent. National Green Tribunal has already ordered GCZMA to raise down the concrete structures at Vagator, but till now, the work for entertainment hub is on in full swing.
National Green Tribunal had asked Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority to take immediate action and stop the constructions coming up at Vagator beachfront, but the construction is still going on. The work for tourism entertainment hub over 53,000 square meter stretch is underway. Prudent contacted Deputy Sarpanch of Anjuna Panchayat. He said permissions are granted on temporary basis and that too for temporary erection of wooden shacks.
License temporary and suppose them use we will not renew the license henceforth. We had received two applications, one from GTDC. The application was very simple for repair of existing structure and erection of temporary wooden shacks Panchayat had given them only for repair of existing structure and erecting for temporary wooden shacks. It is clearly mentioned on our NOC that the NOC is valid for the current financial year for 2013 and 14. And it is clearly said any terms and conditions violated, the NOC will be revoked.
Tribunal has already directed GCZMA to conduct an inquiry and submit its final report within 3 weeks. National Green Tribunal has also warned that if the order is not followed properly, then Member Secretary of the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority may face legal action. Now, it is to be seen what action Anjuna Panchayat takes against GTDC for flaunting the rules. Chandrasekhar Sawant for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.